once again, and as you already know that a series has started regarding the features that are available on the Resurrection Remix ROM on this channel. In my previous video, I featured the customizations which are available for the navigation bar, and in this video particularly we are going to look at the status bar customizations which are available for the users using this ROM. So in order to get to the status bar customizations, you need to go to the settings, and then you need to go to configurations, and then the status bar settings which you can see here. And yeah, let's start from the topmost thing which is mentioned here, something like clock customizations. Let's look what type of features are available in this. You can see a bunch of features are loaded in on the screen, and the first thing is the clock style. You can set that to right, center, left or hidden. I have selected the right, as you can also see that it is showing on the top right corner of the screen. Let's select that to center and see. Yeah, you can see that this clock has changed to center. You can also change that to left, and you can also hide the clock. So let's keep that to right, which I prefer to be good. And you can also show the AM or PM, and then you can also show the date and the date style, date position, date format, and you can also even change the font style and the font size of the clock. And the second thing here you can see is the battery status style. This thing is selected as the icon portrait. If you place that icon landscape, that is going to look like that, and if you select that to circle, it looks something like that, and if you select text, it is going to look like that. And it's up to you. That is what the power of Android, which I would like to mention in most of my videos. Like, you can customize many things, and let's keep that to icon portrait. The battery bar, and you can also select the battery percentage to be hidden or inside the icon or next to the icon, and it's again up to you. And the battery bar is something like a thick thin line is going to appear on the top of the screen, which is indicates the battery. The more the battery, the longer the length of the battery bar will be. You can check that by yourself. And the status bar icons is you can change the status bar icon, that is control which status bar icons are shown, and the colors of the icons, the carrier label, the network traffic. This is something which displays the incoming and outgoing speeds of the data, whether it might be Wi-Fi or a mobile network. It shows the incoming and outgoing speeds. You can also see it's selected. You can also disable this, or you can select only outgoing or incoming. Again, it's up to you. Let's select that outgoing and incoming. You can also display the unit, color, style and update interval, and many things are also available in this. And some feature which I like is something called as the Resurrection Remix logo. A bunch of logos are available. You can see at the top thing, and it's up to you. Let's disable that. And if you doesn't like these kind of logos, a few custom logos are also available for customization. You need to select that, and the logos which are available here are something these. You can see many things are available. You can select that. Let's the thing which I like in these logos is the Google logo. Let's select that. Yeah, you can see that the G symbol at the top left corner of my screen, and this is again up to you. The many customization. This is something like the bonus features which you get when using the custom ROMs. There are also weather settings, and this brightness control is something like if you enable this, you can control the brightness by just swiping right or swiping left, where swiping right indicates the increase in the brightness of the display and swiping left indicates the decrease in the brightness of the display. This feature is something like sick and dope thing which you can show yourself rather than a brightness bar down in the notifications panel. And you can also notification count, the double tap to sleep. I would like to explain this like double tapping on the status bar will turn off the screen, and this could be helpful rather than reaching the power button physically. And the super user indicator, it's up to you. As all of you know that the custom ROMs are pre-rooted, and while using the root features, a super user symbol just indicates and pops up on the status bar. And the other things here, breathing notifications, you can check that by yourself. And these two features are something, if you are on 4G or LTE, it replaces the LTE status bar indicator with 4G. Now you can see it's showing as LTE here. I am on 4G. By turning on this, you can see it's turned to 4G. And if you are using 3G, and you can know that 3G and HSPA both are same, but this replaces the H plus signal indicator with 3G. If it's showing 3G, it shows H plus by turning on this. Let's keep that to LTE. And these are all the features available in the status bar. And if if you like my series of videos regarding the Resurrection Remix features and want any kind of videos regarding this, you can comment in the comment section. And if you like the video and like my work, you can give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to my channel so that you will get the notifications for my future updates. So thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Have a nice day.